Hi, I'm Anna Helman. Thanks so much for being here today. Today I want to share a quick tip about my trimmer. A good trimmer can make or break your paper crafting experience, but I want to share this quick tip that has helped me and maybe it will help you as well. Let's take a look at it. Here is my Stampin' Up! Trimmer that I use often in my crafting. Now, one of the first things you're probably going to notice is the lines I've created on my trimmer. If you're interested in details on that, I created this to make it easy to remember or not have to remember the measurements for cutting and scoring card bases and card fronts and mats. So I will link in the video description below to details on that if you want to take a look at it. What I want to talk about today is right here, and this is one of the reasons I really love this trimmer. And it is because it includes a scoring blade and a cutting blade. So within seconds, I can score down the center of a piece of cardstock, cut it in half, and I have two card bases prepped and ready. Now, if you like to make treat boxes or fun folds or anything else, the scoring feature is really nice to have it all right here in this trimmer. So what I want to share today, my quick tip is this. Sometimes it can be confusing which one is which. People have a hard time remembering which one is which. If you look really close, you may be able to see that this used to have the word score written across it. So this is my tip for today, is to label these blades so that you can remember which one is which. The dark one is the cutting blade. The light one is the scoring blade. And another tip I want to share while we are here, I'll turn this sideways so you can see all of this. Now, if I bring these down to the bottom, there is a small area that is cut out a little bit more where I can remove these blades and replace them. But what I want to do, I've actually never done this until today, but I just thought about it that I think it would be really helpful. I'm going to switch them because I use my cutting blade a lot more often than my scoring blade. I'll turn this sideways, leave it sideways so you can see. So with my cutting blade on the bottom, it just makes a lot more sense because I use this more often. I can cut, do what I need to do without having to worry about that scoring blade at all. Before, I would just have to keep it down here at the bottom, but I think this will actually be a little bit easier for me just to keep it out of the way. I can do my cutting, and then whenever I do need to use that scoring blade, I will push the cutting one out of the way and use it, as you can see. So hope this helps you. If you enjoy card making tips and tricks, click on my channel name below, Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff with Anna Helman. That will take you to my channel. There are tons and tons of card making tips and tricks right there at the top on my playlist, which is called Card Making Tips and Tricks. If you're interested in this trimmer, I'll put a link below for that. You can take a look, and that should be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.